How's it going, everybody? This is a trade setup idea for CEI, or Camber Energy. Now, it recently had a nice little gap up here, which was followed by a lot of selling, and that's typically a good indicator that it's maxed out and there's going to be a trend reversal. In this case, if you open up to a wider time view, you see that this thing is pretty diluted. It's pretty obvious, given that if you look at the price scale, it goes up to 5,000, and now it's at 61 cents. And what happens when shares get diluted? Well, it takes in a crazy amount more volume to move the stock even a little bit. So every time you get a jump up, it's followed by a fade, and I would just expect to keep on seeing that pattern. Happens here, happens here, happens here, happens here, and I think given the amount of selling volume, even though it did fill this gap here, I think it's going to continue down to 50 cents again. So this would just be a 1 or 2 day quick trade. I'd try to get in at the open, short it, and ride it down to 50 cents and get out. Given it's a 10-cent move, I would probably look to use one of these prior resistance levels. So let's map them out here. So I see one, we'll put one here since there's some confluence there at 80 cents. We'll do one here at 75 cents. And notice how these are whole numbers. That's typically going to be the case with any stock, but especially penny stocks. Another one here at 7. And I guess, yep, three wicks at 67. So we can use any of these levels as our stop loss in our short position. So given we're looking to make 10 cents, I'd like it to be at least 5 cents or less. So yep, 65 cents. If you look here, is also a level because it got hit 3 times and failed. So I'd probably set a stop loss just above 65 cents and my limit to cover at 50 cents or just above there, probably at 51 or whatever, just so I get filled. And that's what I would do. I would short it from 60 cents to 50 cents and look to cover losses at 65 cents. Risk reward 1 to 2, not bad. I just think it's high probability given this is a piece of shit penny stock, way diluted, and a climax in selling. I think we got some good signals for a good short position, assuming you can get your hands on some shares to short. So good luck with this trade idea.